Hala. I wanted to visit the toilet and I couldn't get a decent toilet at this beach. So I decided to ask and someone helped me, the one who was giving us a boat ride to the island. So, and this is the toilet here and I have company. Look at the company I have. And this monkey here and it couldn't leave this place. Oh, it was just down looking at me while I'm doing my business there. Oh, that was awkward. Diani is a place that you can access very clean beaches. Yeah, it has clean beaches compared to other parts of coastal Kenya. So this is a place, it's the best place you can come and have fun with clean beaches. So we are headed to this island. In this island, we are going to do some jet ski and also we are going to see some marine, some underwater animals, fish, and other things that live under the water. So come along and see what we have because it's fun. It's total fun. So as always, I'm going to give you costs breakdown of how much we spent for these activities. So to hire a boat to the island, we spent everyone 600 Kenyan shillings per head. That is $1, like $1 per head. Then there was just jet skiing that we were charged 1,500 per head. And guys, this is the best price you can get. We bargained a lot for that. So you can get it. Also, jet skiing depends with the amount of time that you're going to spend with the jet. And this was the shortest, and it was the shortest we were on a budget, if I can say so. We were charged 1,500 Kenyan shillings, which is equivalent to $15. And that was it. We came here, we did jet ski, and then we went, we used the glass boats to see the life underwater. Those were the two main activities here.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing. And suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic, I can't help but think that it's meant to be.
There's a big fish. They just ran from my view.
Oh my goodness.
I need to see this.
I need to see this. Oh my.
And what is the name of that other fish?
That big fish.
She's a big fish with the mouth.
Oh my.
Oh no.
What? Ai, kwani zinaenda hapo?
Zinaenda mahali yako. Ananipea nini kwani?
Hapa ni haya songeshe. No.
Hai, kiona. Aya, anazifeed. Anashika. Aki. Naona zinamfuata.
Ingine imejificha na rudi, si ukuja huku.
Siakuja. Oh.
Ingine kidogo. Sasa ndio nimekaa sasa.
Bread. Ndio hizo.
Amezistika hapa, amestika hapa sasa zinakaa hapa.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing inside
henna drawings are culture for Swahili people in Tanzania, Kenya, Zanzibar. So if you are a tourist and you visit the Kenyan coast, you'll see many Swahili people with this kind of decor on their hands, legs. So I decided to get one so that I can look like a Swahili also, but they are so beautiful. I love how beautiful they are. And just look at how talented she is. It's all in her head. She doesn't have anywhere to refer to. She's drawing everything from her head, and it is so beautiful. And also my friends got some of this henna, and they were different drawings. So she knows how to draw very many types of these flowers, or they call them deco flowers, on you. And that was so beautiful, and it was only for 300 Kenyan shillings, just 300 Kenyan shillings, and you get this.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah.